The tradition continues, 45 years in the making. The Tejano Supercar Show, Sunday, November 20th at the Ector County Coliseum.
Leaning on the curb, sipping syrup, blowing drone.
MC Magic, what's up, baby?
The tradition continues, 45 years in the making. The Tejano Supercar Show, Sunday, November 20th at the Ector County Coliseum. La tradición continúa, 45 años del Tejano Supercar Show, el 20 de noviembre en el Ector County Coliseum.
Leaning on the curb, sipping syrup, blowing drone.
MC Magic, what's up, baby?
La tradición continúa, 45 años del Tejano Supercar Show, el 20 de noviembre en el Ector County Coliseum.